Okay, hello everyone. This is Electrical Engineering 202A, Embedded Systems. My name is Oliver. This is my partner Mohammed.
Hi.
And this is a demo of our homework 1, which is communicating with an embed, reading in live data from the sensors and then uploading them to a Xively feed. Because without specialized hardware, the embed can't actually upload data directly, we use our computer as a host. And we wrote this little user interface in Python to allow us to display the data live and also be able to dynamically configure the settings. So here you can see our 5 sensors: the accelerometer, the magnetometer, the light sensor, the touch sensor, and the ADC sensor. They're all updating at a fixed rate. We also have our user interface elements that allow us to change the settings here. So for example, if I want to change the rate of the accelerometer from 0.3 to, let's say, 0.5, let me show you the light blinking there. That's at a rate of 0.3 right now, a period of 0.3. If I hit send, you can see that the sampling rate changed from 0.3 to 0.5. And you can see that the light there is blinking a little bit slower, if you can tell. Might be hard. But you can see a little code there. That's what we sent to the embed. The embed read that and decoded it and knew to change the sensor. What we can also do is disable the sensor entirely. As you can see here, it's sampling a bit slower, but now if you hit this, it stopped completely, and then the disable button changed to an enable button. We hit that again, and it'll start sampling again, just like that. So here, let me show you some of the sensors working. So with the accelerometer, if I change the axis, see the X value change from low value to a high value. With the light sensor, I can cover it. Yeah, and it goes down. The touch sensor, I can touch it, and the values will go. It'll slide as I slide my finger. And the ADC sensor is reading in a voltage from our second embed, which is generating a sine wave. And you can slowly see that going up and down. So the embed has a thread running in the background to do serial communication with the embed. It also has another thread running in the background to do communication with Xively. And here you can see a bunch of numbers, and these numbers represent how many data points we're uploading to Xively per request. Xively limits us to one request every 2.5 seconds and 500 data points per request. So if you do the math, it gives us limits our sampling rates of the embed to 20 hertz, or once every 0.05 seconds, because we have 9 channels here. So I'll switch quickly over to Xively to show you what's going on. So here is Xively plotting our live data that's being sent to it by our host program. Here you can see the ADC plotting that sine wave. Looks very smooth. There's the accelerometer. There's that spike from when I turned it around. The light sensor, you can see that little dip from when I covered it. Magnetometer, there's a touch sensor from when I touched it. Those are the other axes. It's all working fine. One thing to note is that although we're uploading 50 data points, it's not actually plotting all of them. It's only plotting the last data point that it receives every 2.5 seconds. But if you click on here, you can see that the data points are all here. Yeah, and we actually have them all time-stamped, so the data's all there. And if you call them through the API in Python, you can see that the data points are all correct. So yeah, that's pretty much our little demo showing all the features. Let me quickly show you one more thing. I'll change the sampling rate one more time. Let's go down to 1, 2, 3. And let's just change a different sensor. Magnetometer. And there you go. There's a little code. And you can see that's changed from 0.1 to 0.123. Alright, that's pretty much it for our demo. Thanks. Bye, guys.